Hey guys, this is Faraz and welcome back to this channel. And guys, this is my friend Zubair, and he is especially here today to check out this song with me because I am checking this song out again on the request of you guys. You guys have been requesting like a lot, and nobody more than me regret the fact that I didn't check out this song with English subtitles on the very first time, on the very first attempt. But today we are going to check out this song, and I'm going to check out with English subtitles so that I can know about this song more. And he's going to watch it for the very first time. So that is why I brought him with me. That bro, you have to check out this song. It is so awesome. It is so amazing.
And
so
it is very early in the morning, which we don't see usually.
yeah, sir, it's early even for me.
Yes.
But yeah, as I already mentioned in my previous videos, that nowadays I'm gonna be very busy, so there are gonna be delays in the videos, at least a 1 or 2 day delay. So we are very sorry for that. So guys, without wasting any time, we are gonna check out this song once again. Enjoy Anjami, and the singer of this song is Dhi. You guys have been mentioning Dhi a lot. A lot of our songs, just like Rowdy Baby song. We are gonna check them all out. And I now know that Aribu is the rapper in this song, and who also is the rap of विजय थलपति's मूवी मास्टर. तो जो उसमें वाती रेड सॉन्ग था उसका रैप भी अरीबो ने करा है, एंड ही साउंड्स लाइक एमिनो बंटाइन. डिट्टो, you will feel like it's Emilio Bantine.
I know him.
Yeah. And the producer of this music video, as I already mentioned in the original Enjoy Anjami reaction, the producer of this music video is Santosh Narayan sir, who is the father of Dhi, the singer of this song. And the whole music video and the whole YouTube channel is produced and managed under by the team of A.R. Rahman sir. I mean, it is backed by A.R. Rahman sir. He is taking it to the international level. Basically, this is a indie pop song channel. जो indie songs होते हैं.
Yeah.
So A.R. Rahman is kind of supporting these musicians and these singers
To take it out to international level.
Yes, at least to take it on national level, not even international, to take it on a national level. He is supporting this newcomers also.
Hey, it is going national.
So guys, without wasting any time, let's just get into this song and then we're gonna talk about it. Majja is the name of the channel.
What presents?
Let's just read it. She is the singer. He is that guy, Aribu, rapper.
சாமி ரெண்டு நந்தா சுத்தி வந்தா சேவக்கூ வச்சு அது போட்டு வச்ச எச்சம் தானே காடா மாறிச்சு நம்ம நாடா மாறிச்சு இந்த வீடா மாறிச்சு என்ன குறை என் கிளி கரும்புக்கு என்ன குறை
cinematography, background.
அந்தாலில பாவக்கா அத கல்லு விட்டு இருக்கு அத கல்லு விட்டு இருக்கு அப்பா நான் தவிட்டதுங்க அப்பா நான் தவிட்டது
See, this is the stuff which I totally missed.
That is what people were
Yes. They were saying
watch
it
with
again
the
and again.
subtitles to better understand it.
Yeah, she is very beautiful.
I like this random shot where the people smile. Old people, mostly.
I love this outfit, by the way. I also mentioned in the
This
previous
is so
video.
engaging, I can't even look
Subtitles, yes. That is why I never thought of checking out subtitles, the very first time.
People are watching it again and again. And now we
Yes.
understand why.
Sir, this
Now we understand why they are
this
watching
has
again.
became an international sensation. This song, 52 million views for a Tamil song. That's a very huge deal, and it's an indie pop song,
Indie pop.
not a regular, Vijay Thalapathy song or some superstar song. It is not a song from a movie. It's an indie pop song. So Bollywood के indie pop song में 5 million 10 million views आते हैं.
Yeah.
52 million within a week.
Quite sensational.
Yes,
Yeah.
and to be honest, guys, now that I have seen it, with subtitles for the second time, I now appreciate this song on another level. I totally missed all this good stuff, which they mentioned in the song, because I really thought that the song is about,
I
some
have
party,
to watch it again.
some party, some enjoyment, because
Yeah.
the name suggests enjoy in Jami. So I thought that it's about some enjoyment in the village. कि village
But
में
you
party
told
हुई
me
है.
that means something else, huh?
Yes, yes.
Male and female?
Yes, after the reaction, people commented on the video that enjoy means male and enjami means female.
Okay, you
So
told me
that was also a very deep message. And the message throughout the song, it's just awesome, amazing. And when I watched the first time, I thought that they included village people just because the song is short in village.
Village, yeah.
That is why, happy
The scenery
faces,
was taken
simple
out
people.
from the village. Yeah,
Because it is a very grounded
farmers
type
and
song.
all,
Yes.
yes.
Because it is a very grounded type song, so I thought that they included farmers, or maybe the song is about farmers or crops or something like that. But now that I have seen with subtitles, it's about rain. It's about hen giving eggs for the first time. It's about ancestors. It's about forest. How we cut down forest and we don't appreciate forest and all, and we don't appreciate animals. Preserving animals just like tiger and elephants. So it is about all those things, It's about the soil. The first
You
minty.
did manage to watch the subtitle.
Yes, because this is the second time, but still I was lost in the visualization.
Yes.
What I really like about this song? The synchronization of the background dancers.
Yes.
Amazing, amazingly synchronized. Background dancers did
As a
amazing.
dancer yourself, you can vouch for them.
Yes, because that is why I was looking for them. They were working in a very proper, very well executed synchronization. Because the main actress or the singer, she isn't dancing. She's just there singing.
Sitting there and singing.
And
her
expressing
stuff,
herself
yeah.
through her singing, her voice. But the main dancing is
By the
done
way,
by
she is
background
beautiful.
dancer. But yeah, she is absolutely beautiful.
Yes.
And as I already mentioned in the previous, first reaction, that the outfit she wore in the last of the song, absolutely stunning out. And I think he totally missed the subtitles.
Yes, I did. I did actually.
He was lost in the visualizations. He kept telling me in the middle that the visualizations are amazing, that I am not even looking at the subtitles.
I can't.
Sir,
I'm
it
so
is
captured by
possible.
the visualization. I
Yes.
can't.
And Arivu,
I think-
the rapper, he was lost in just
His own
rapping.
way. He is doing his own way. He
He
just
was-
remember his rap.
Yeah.
Whatever is
He was
happening,
just
happening.
doing his stuff, his
Yeah,
rapping,
yeah.
and he was just enjoying it himself, while doing it. That is a very great thing about an artist, about an artist, not just actors or actresses. Yes, thank you so much for recommending this to check out with subtitles. And I am happy that Zubair checked this song out with me. So now that he can also appreciate this song, because yeah, this song need to go on international level. It is that kind of song.
Award दिलाओ उसे.
Yeah, best indie pop song.
Grammy दिलाओ Grammy.
Grammy, yeah, otherwise best indie pop song of the year, at
Yes.
least.
At least
At
ये तो
least.
हो Indian level पे हो
Yes,
कम से
at
कम.
least Indian level.
Yes.
Best
And you
indie
guys
pop song.
can do that.
Yes, you have to make that.
Yeah.
If if guys like us can make Zack Snyder Justice League thing like happen, so why can't this happen? So we
Bilkul.
have to make it. Yeah, we have to make it. International. We have to make it more popular than it already is. We have to make it. We have to convert it into a sensation. So it will reach more and more people, and maybe one day it will gain an award. Best
Yes.
indie pop song. Hopefully. So guys, yep, definitely we are going to check out more songs of Dhi very very soon. So guys, this was our reaction to the song Enjoy Enjami, and we both really loved it. And now that I have seen with subtitles, I really appreciate it on another level. Thanks to you guys for recommending it. And guys, if you really like this reaction, really like this video, then please hit that like button below. And if you are new to this channel and you haven't subscribed yet, then please hit that subscribe
Do
button
that.
below for more videos like this, and to hit the
Free.
notification bell icon so you never miss another update from this channel. It's free. Do it. You just have to click that subscribe button. So yep, until then guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and please keep watching and keep suggesting us more and more content. Until then, bye bye.